men and women who work there use a science called meteorology, the study of weather. Meteorology is a study of Earth's atmosphere. It comes the read and measuring, which means studying things that in the sky. The atmosphere is the layer of gas above Earth's surface. Scientists study atmosphere to predict the weather. They also use this information to determine how Earth's climate is changing. Scientists who study the atmosphere are called meteorologists. Meteorologists use radar, radios, thermometer, and other devices to check out the current weather.